Hello, this is Nick with Albert Air Conditioning, and today we are looking at a slimline carrier compact heat pump condenser, and we mounted it on the side of a house. So I'm going to go through this system, show you what we did, show you how we did it, because this is an interesting install because it is mounted to the side of the house because we are on a very steep hill here. And then I'm going to talk to you all the ins and outs of this system, let you know what's going on. As always, please like this video, subscribe to my page, and we have a lot of really cool upcoming videos. I have another video coming out on an e-furnace, which is a 120 volt fan coil we installed with this system. That's pretty interesting. I'll be posting that in a few days after this one, so make sure you check that out. And so let's get right into this. So this is a 5-ton carrier heat pump condenser. This is the compact slimline 38MURAQ60AA3, and it has 2 fans, so one on the bottom, one on the top. In the 4-ton and 5-ton, it's going to be the same with the 2 fans. It's 37-inch width from left to right. The height is 52 inches, and then it's 16-inch depth there. We put this on a mount because, like I said, we are on a very steep hill here, and to come down here it's steep. I hope that does it justice, but we wanted to have a spot that we could put it where it was out of the way and quiet, and this accomplishes that. The decibels on this unit is 61 decibels, so it won't bother this bedroom window here at all, won't bother the neighbors. This unit has a very good efficiency rating of 14.7 SEER2 when matched with the indoor fan coil that we used. You can see the bracket that we put it on mounts to the wall behind here. I'll get a little closer. So there's our mount back there. It gets bolted down right there. There's a foot also in the back. And then obviously we earthquake strap it on top on the right and the left. And this unit does have clearance requirements, so it's about 6 inches off the wall in the back, plenty of clearance in the front, and then on that far side over there. We also ran new refrigerant lines out from under the house to where the fan coil is, and then under the unit there, and then up into there. The fan coils also have a drain on them right there, so it will drain into this pea gravel pit right there when it goes into a defrost mode. Right now it is on, it's heating, so both fans are on, the compressor's on. Super quiet. I'm able to easily make this video without any problems, without the fans disrupting me or anything like that. So let me know what you think of this unit. I think it's a fantastic unit for side yards, for people that want something quiet. Carrier makes this. Again, it's the 38MURAQ60A003 in the 5-ton size. We did match this inside with an e-furnace by ADP, which is a 120 volt electric fan coil, so it plugs into a same outlet that a furnace would. Most fan coils are 240 volts. You have to run that extra line, extra circuit from the main panel to that closet or attic or wherever your fan coil is located. So this keeps the cost down. It's a very nice system. Let me know what you think of this. Leave a comment in the section below. I appreciate all those comments. I'll answer those for you if you have any questions on this. If you are in the Orange County area and would like an estimate on a system like this or any other carrier system, let me know. Give me a call at 714-526-6368, or you can visit us at www.albertair.com. And I appreciate you watching my videos. Thank you very much.